In the last class, we learned how to create a Create React app. Let's have a look at the project files which Create React app has generated. Now let's open our project files in VS Code. Here you can see the project files are listed. Now let's open the package.json file over here. Here you can see that we have some React dependencies. If you see greater version of React version here, that's okay, because it means that you are using the latest version of React. You can also see a list of testing dependencies over here. At the bottom, you can see there are React scripts over here. At the bottom, you can see some React scripts over here. This is where all the hard work is taken care of, where all the amazing stuff happens, like Webpack, Babel. Also, all sorts of tooling is taken care of in the React script itself. Here you can see that we have a src folder, that is the source folder. The source folder is where all the files are stored where we create our application. On the top, we have public folder. Public folder consists of some logo, favicon, and index file, and all the other stuff when we build our application. But mainly we'll be working on the source folder. Now let's open the index.js file. So if you click here, you can see that we have some bunch of code over here. First, we will get rid of the report web vitals over here. I'm just going to get rid of this one. And also I'm going to get rid of all these comments. Now, since we are not using report web vitals, I can also get rid of this one. Let's save this. We can also see that there is React strict mode over here. What this does is that if we are in violation of your code, it will throw out some errors. For now, we have everything we need to get started quickly.